Today, we will talk about how to clean patio furniture. Let's have a look at the details. When the weather is warming up and you've invited family and friends over, naturally you'll want to get your patio furniture out. There's only one problem: it's really dirty. Whether your patio furniture is made of wood, plastic, metal, or fabric, there are plenty of ways to get it back to looking squeaky clean. The first method is cleaning wood. Gently scrub softwoods with an ammonia and white vinegar solution. Use a soft bristled scrub brush or a soft fabric scouring pad to scrub a mixture made up of 1/4 ammonia, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 quart of water onto cedar, pine, or redwood. Afterward, rinse with a garden hose and let the wood dry in the sun. You can also purchase wood cleaners or brighteners at the store if you prefer this to create your own solution. Sand hardwoods. Patio furniture made of hardwoods such as cherry and oak benefit from an annual sanding. You can either do this by hand or by using a palm sander. Use sandpaper with medium grit if you're removing scratches or old finishes, and use fine grit if you're just doing a lighter routine sanding. You can also use emery cloth or steel wool. Put a fresh finish on hardwoods. After you sand the furniture, wipe it down with a wet cloth. Then, apply a fresh coat of protective finish, such as a polyurethane coating or an oil stain. As an alternative, you could apply a quality exterior primer and then top with an exterior latex or oil-based paint to protect your furniture from UV rays. Use a mild soap, water, and a wax paste on the wicker. Start by spraying your wicker patio furniture with a garden hose. You can also gently spray it with a pressure washer. If the wicker still seems dirty, use an oil-based soap or dish soap and rub it with a sponge and cold water. After it dries naturally, apply a paste wax to keep the wicker shiny and water-resistant. Care for teak with teak-specific products. Buy teak cleaner and follow the directions on the container for the best results. After cleaning, apply a special teak protector, teak oil, or teak sealer to maintain the natural brown of the new teak. If you want to make your own teak cleaning solution, apply a mixture of a 1/4 cup laundry detergent, 1 gallon of water, and 1 quart of bleach. Let the mixture sit on the furniture for 10 or 20 minutes and then scrub it with a soft brush and rinse it off with a hose. The second method is cleaning plastic. Mix dish soap and warm water for basic cleaning. Clean plastic furniture with a scouring pad using a mixture of 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters of clear dish soap and 1 gallon or 3.8 L of warm water. Cold water doesn't quite cut through dirt and grime as well, and hot water is too intense and can damage the furniture. Use oxygen bleach if you're trying to get rid of grime and mildew. If the basic cleaning doesn't quite do the job, clean the furniture again with a 1/4 cup of dish soap mixed with a gallon of water, or mix in as much as 2 tablespoons of oxygen bleach. If trying to get rid of mildew, make a bit of a stronger mixture that has 1 cup of oxygen bleach for every gallon of water. Spray a vinegar solution on colored plastic to remove mildew. Combine a 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 1 quart of water, put it in a spray bottle, spray, and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing colored furniture with a hose and letting the sunshine dry it. Vinegar may discolor or leave streak marks on older plastic furniture. Sprinkle baking soda on a sponge to get rid of tough stains. With a wet sponge, rub stained areas of your plastic patio furniture. Using a non-abrasive cleaner such as baking soda will get rid of the stain without causing any damage. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Abrasive cleaners may get rid of stains, but they'll also scratch the plastic. Preserve plastic furniture with an automotive wax paste. Apply a coat of wax paste to the surface of the furniture. Give the wax a few minutes to dry, and then wipe off any residue left with a clean cloth. The third method is cleaning metal. Clean furniture made of iron, steel, and aluminum with water and mild soap. After putting aside any cushions, clean your metal patio furniture by putting a squirt of dish soap in a bucket of water and using it with a scrub brush to scrub the surface of your furniture. Apply a coat of wax paste or navel jelly to furniture prone to rusting. A lot of modern metal frames are rust-free or rust-resistant, but for those that aren't, you'll need to take this extra step. Iron and steel may rust, but aluminum won't because it is a non-ferrous metal. Rub sandpaper or steel wool on rusty spots. Rust and corrosion are inevitable when you have metal patio furniture. The key is to stay on top of it by eliminating it as soon as you notice it. Sandpaper and steel wool are great tools that you can use to buff rust or corrosion off of the metal without causing any damage. Treat oxidation with a metal polishing paste or a vinegar solution. Oxidation, which is a chemical reaction between oxygen and another element, is what leads to rust and corrosion on metal patio furniture. Apply a metal polishing paste or a 1:1 white vinegar to water solution to the furniture to treat it. Stay on top of cleanings to keep your aluminum looking new. One of the best things that you can do for your aluminum patio furniture is to give it a basic cleaning on a regular basis. This will help the metal keep its natural luster. Treat scuff marks on aluminum with a non-abrasive cleaner product. Avoid using brushes or abrasive cleaners because they'll scratch the metal. Instead, apply a non-abrasive product with a soft, damp cloth. Provide extra protection for your wrought iron furniture. If your wrought iron patio furniture is looking a little dull or old, consider having it sandblasted or powder-coated to improve its appearance and provide some added protection. The fourth method is cleaning fabric. Throw some tennis balls in the dryer with your machine washable throw pillows. Wash patio pillows in a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low. The tennis balls will help beat out excess moisture and will speed up the drying process. Remove and wash cases from pillows that aren't machine washable. If the tag says that your patio pillows aren't machine washable, take the removable covers off and wash them in the washing machine twice a season. Spot clean more often than you wash the entire item. Washing all of the fabric every time one little stain appears on your piece of furniture will make the colors lose vibrancy and have your fabric looking worn faster. When there's something small that you want to clean, soak a sponge with mild soap and water and spot clean the problem area. Remove mildew from your patio umbrella with a scrub brush and a vinegar solution. Brush off as much mildew as you can with a scrub brush first, and then spray the umbrella with an equal mixture of vinegar and water on problem areas. Leave the umbrella alone for half an hour to let the mixture soak in and then gently scrub the umbrella to remove whatever mildew is left and spray it down with a hose. Let the umbrella dry out in the sun all day. Also, take these steps, minus the scrubbing, to regularly clean your mildew-free patio umbrella. Add a fabric water repellent to your umbrella once it's dry to protect it from water damage. Here are some tips and warnings for you. Use a scrub brush or scrub pad on especially dirty wooden furniture. You can replace chlorine bleach with oxygen bleach as a healthier and more environmentally friendly choice. Wear protective gloves and eyewear when cleaning with chemicals like bleach. Don't clean metal furniture with chemicals such as trisodium phosphate or ammonia because they may cause oxidation. Don't wrap your cushions in plastic when they're being stored because it won't allow the cushion to breathe. If there's any moisture present, this may cause mildew to form and develop. Never mix ammonia and bleach because the fumes are poisonous. Wear old clothes or an apron when you use bleach to keep your clothes from getting ruined. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.